Good morning! Good morning mga palangga! So, ngayon, may appointment ako para sa hair laser removal para sa underarm ko. This will be my 5th session. So, isa na lang, then matatapos ako sa session na to. Hindi na ako magbubook ng another session kasi I feel like na just a waste of money. Before ko to binook, sabi ni Jan, wag ka nang mag-book nito kasi I know it will be a waste of money. Pero hindi ako nakinig sa kanya kasi sabi ko na hayaan mo ako na magkamali so that I learn. Kasi pag ano kasi, like for example, parang bata lang ba, sinasabihan mo, ina-advisean mo, pero gagawin pa din. So once you made a mistake, at least you learn from that mistake. So, yun yung parang nangyari sa akin. I learned from that mistake na sana nakinig ako. Sayang yung pera. But anyway, wala na tayong magagawa. So, naghihintay na lang ako kay Jan. Ayaw pa niyang mag-set off kasi medyo maaga pa naman. 12:37 na yung oras dito. Did I say good morning? Good afternoon na pala. So, yung oras dito, 12:37 pa. At yung appointment ko is 1 o'clock. Ayaw niyang mag-set off early kasi meron kasi kaming delivery na hinihintay. So, sabi niya na hindi tayo mag-set off early kasi baka in a 5 minutes nandito na yung delivery. Pero, ewan ko. Until now, naghahanap pa din ako ng makati ng ilong ko. Nakakainis. Feeling mo na gusto mo mag-sneeze, din mawawala. Nakakainis. Yan yung feeling na sobrang nakakainis. Balik tayo sa sinabi ko. Ano ba yung sinabi ko? Sabi ko na until now, naghahanap pa din ako ng sapatos para sa trabaho. Kasi yung Skechers talaga, hindi talaga siya komportable sa trabaho. Nagdo-double socks ako pag nagtatrabaho ako kasi sobrang sakit ng paa ko. Mostly yung maliit na, ano bang tawag ng toes? Sobrang sakit, kaya ayun, nagdo-double socks ako. Hi, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, madam.
Are we going? Oh, the posting! Oh, gosh!
I need a note put on the door as well.
Kailangan daw niya ng note. Yes?
Hermes, parcel in greenhouse.
Okay. I think we have sticky pad in there. In the kitchen. Don't we have any? It's on your desk? Kailangan namin maglagay ng note na lang. Kasi meron din pala kaming Hermes. At dadaan din kami sa post office para mag-deliver ng mga item. Mahina yung sale ngayon sa EB. Kakaunti lang yung i-deliver namin. Nahulog siya. Ay, nakakainis. At least naalala ko. Kasi there are few incidents talaga na naka-prepare na sila, nakalimutan naming dalhin. Wala akong tripod as usual. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na. So, sinuot ko pala tong new jacket ko. I like this. I super love it. So, gagawa muna ako ng note para sa ating Hermes. Most of the time naman yung Hermes late sila, pero then we don't know, they can be here at any time. Hermes parcel in the greenhouse. Honey, here's the note. Where do you want me to put it? Here? There you go.
Yeah.
Are we going?
What time is it?
1:45.
Yeah, we'll go.
Yeah, we're going. Yeah, I got the posting. I think.
Oh, I do actually.
Yeah?
Just drop you off and I'll come back and post that.
Okay then.
And then come back and pick you up.
Yeah,
By
okay.
then you should be nearly done.
Yeah, will be only 15 minutes, I
Yeah.
think. Less than 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Bakit ang puti? Yan. Hindi open. No, it's not open.
Yeah, good husband opens the door for his wife, you see.
Not all the time.
All the time.
No.
I'll put it on video. I've got proof. How's your leg?
Okay. I got proof na ino-open daw niya yung door ko everyday.
Yeah?
Yeah, ready?
Not exactly warm in here, is it?
No, it's 9 degrees.
9 degrees and all is well.
A few moments later.
Tapos na ako sa appointment ko. Sobrang bilis lang. Mga less than 10 minutes lang talaga ako. So ngayon, hinihintay ko si Mr. kasi sabi niya, nung din-drop off niya ako, pupunta siya sa post office. Hindi pa siya nakabalik. Tatawagan natin. Busy siguro sa post office ba? Yes, I'm done. Waiting for you. 20 seconds. Okay. Alright. Okay. I'll start counting. I am here on the road. Well, not on the road, but here he is. Yeah, I'm here. Thank you. Is it busy? Very busy in post office?
No, I was talking to him.
Huh?
He's just come back from America. He's been shooting in America.
Cool.
In the post office. Is the passenger ready?
Passenger is ready. Thank you, hon. Thank you very much.
I've not had a delivery anyway.
Yeah, you see?
Quite handy that camera.
Mm.
Tells me. Just say hello.
No, she's actually, when I came in, she's gone.
She saw you in the room.
She's gone. She saw me and she's running.
The electric chargers everywhere. Yes, Bear?
Many people were asking, honey, what is the job of your son?
The job?
Yeah.
He works in the quarry.
Yeah.
One of the quarries.
But you need to explain to them.
Well, he does multitude of jobs because what he's done when he first went there, he
Yeah,
just
because personally, I don't know what he do in quarry.
Well, originally he started off basically going in, went there, and he was on the weigh bridge. That's when the wagons come in, they get weighed, they fill them full of this stone, and then they weigh them on the way out, so they know what amount of stone is on the wagon. Yes. So he started off doing that, and then he started having training for various things, for operating a lot of the machines, because they've got rock crushers, they've got excavators, big dump trucks, and I mean big as in massive. So he had all the training and that to do them, and now he can physically do everything in the quarry. So, you know, a lot of the guys in there can only do certain jobs, but he's done the training, he can do most of them now, you see. So he's quite universal in the quarry, and that's what he does. So he has a bit of a variety.
Right, I see.
Yeah.
So that's what he do.
So that's what he does, basically. And he seems to enjoy it. It's early start every morning, but it is very good salary.
Yeah.
So, well, it would be if he didn't spend it so much so fast.
He's a spender.
Oh, he's a spender. Not like his dad.
Yeah.
Easy come, easy go. But, no, No, that's what it is.
Yeah. So now you know.
He used to work with me, but he wanted to have a change. I think he got tired of making trailers and things. But
Yeah.
as you know, he comes back every now and then and does a bit, doesn't he?
We're home. Yung Hermes hindi pa dumating kasi yung note nandito pa din sa door.
There's your doofies for all the stuff that.
Thank you, Ann. How much?
Can't remember.
How much does it
I
cost
don't know,
you?
I got ripped off. What you see, like a good husband.
Oh yes, I forgot to tell you that we need some fire lighters. But I don't need to remind you because as what you said, you're a good husband, and he did buy 2 box of fire lighter. Here, 99 pins.
No, pound have gone up.
A pound. Oh, right. I see. Yeah, they used to be 99 pins and now a pound. And soon, next year, it will be 1 pound and...
A penny.
a penny.
They've been 99p for a long time.
Yeah, well...
I'll just get that parcel out.
Oh, now I know what you mean. See, I did not give it away. That's my first ever fleece. In my first snow, I wore that. Did you remember?
Yeah.
I got a picture, I think, wearing that.
Yeah.
Hey, but you're wearing that for the workshop, honeybee?
Well, I never wear it.
I know, but it's so good to be...
Darling, I never wear it.
I
I need to
know.
wear something.
I know.
So well, look at the colour of this. This got a washing machine.
So, suotoy na yan sa workshop.
Oh.
Ay, it's tear apart, honey.
It's kaput.
Yeah,
I could do to find another one like
I know. But don't worry, I have a jacket for you. I will wash it
Yeah,
and...
but its trouble is it's puffy, isn't it?
Let's see what you think about it. Let me wash it and then I will give it to you when it's ready. So, susuotin niya yan sa workshop. Nasasayangan ako kasi sobrang ganda. Yes?
If you bring my work jeans down from upstairs,
Maitim.
they could go in with this.
With that?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
I'll put it to wash that.
Right, I need to do the laundry now. Kasi gusto niyang gawin ko yung laundry. Honey, ay!
What?
Don't wear that in the workshop, oy!
Well, what was supposed to wear now? Steve freezing.
I don't want you to be freezing in the workshop, but sayang!
What?
It's too good to wear.
Darling, I've had this for about 25 years.
I know.
Exactly, so it's going to be used.
Okay. Sayang naman, uy.
This actually zips inside my other jacket.
Okay. Anyway, I just gonna sort the laundry kasi gusto ni John ipalaundry yung top niya na sinuot kahapon at yung trousers niya na sinuot niya kahapon sa workshop kasi sobrang dumi. At meron din siyang ipapalaundry yung jacket niya na sirang-sira na. Ito yung sinabi ko kay Mr. na I have something for you pero kailangan ko pang labhan ito. Ito siya. Yan. Itong jacket na to, nabili ko to sa charity shop. Pero, nakastock lang siya dito. Yan. So, ngayon, lalabhan ko muna to. And then, titingnan natin kung magustuhan ba ni Mr. Kasi sabi niya, sobrang thick. Pero sabi ko, just try it. Merong letter. Ano kaya tong letter na to? Para sa akin. Nakita ko. And, akin din. Dalawa. Titingnan natin. Mukhang importante yan. Let me put my washing first. sabay kasi yung tatlong item na nasa washing machine, sobrang filthy nila. One hour. Yan, naka-on na siya. Right, titingnan natin kung ano yung letter. I think meron akong suspicion kung ano to. I think ito parang advertisement lang ata to. Pero yung isa something important yung isa. Yeah. Postcode lottery. Merry Christmas. Tay, hindi ako nanalo sa inyo. Postcode lottery ka. Ah! Advent calendar siya. Iwan ko kung ano yung laman, pero advent calendar siya. Hindi, nakikita ba? Yan, oh. Titingnan natin kung nasaan yung number 1. Ito yung number 1. Ah! The Prince Countryside Fund support a volunteer bus service helping isolated residents travel around North Yorkshire. Okay. At ito, I really think na importante ito. Hello? Right, okay. Hindi ko na lang sasabihin sa inyo. Kasi importante siya. Yes. So, ito na. I-prepare na natin yung beef stew natin. So, lalagyan natin siya ng carrots and onion. Yes, sir?
Is this the finest of the finest?
I would like to think so.
If you listen to it, it's still mooing.
No! No, we don't want that.
This is 2 weeks old, at least.
A what? Ano po kung ano yung sinabi ni Mr. So, I'm just gonna peel the carrots. Then, hihiwain natin. Actually, while we're peeling this, we just gonna prioritize this first. Kasi kailangan kasi natin gisahin yung beef natin. Kasi the early we put this on, mas magiging malambot siya. So, ito lang yung onion na gagamitin ko. Hindi ko raramihan ng onion kasi lately, napapansin ko pag nagluluto ako, tinadamihan ko ng onion, nagre-repeat siya sa akin. I don't know why. Hindi naman ako ganoon noon, pero ngayon, ewan ko kung bakit nagbago. So, hintayin lang natin lumambot. Then, lalagay natin yung ating beef. Then, nakita niyo naman siguro yung punto ko. Inuna ko siya. Prioritize ko yung onion. Kasi, while na nagpipil ako at naghihiwa ako nito, at least yung meat natin, nagba-brown siya. ngayon, brown na yung meat natin. Maglalagay ako ng 3 cups of boiling water. Yan. And 2 beef cubes. Mag-a-add pa siguro ako ng water later on kasi papakuluan natin yan until lumabot yung karne. And before ko makalimutan, ilalagay ko na rin to kasi si Mr. kasi gusto niya na malambot yung mga vegetable. So, I prefer na ilagay yung vegetable later on. Pero to keep Mr. happy, isasabay ko na lang siya sa meat natin. Lalabas tayo, kukuha tayo ng mga kahoy para masindihan natin yung wood porter natin. Hello! You're always right behind the door, ha? Nag-aabang ka talaga sa akin, Pipa. Naaamoy ko yung beef stew sa labas. Sarap ng amoy, ha? Sorry, Pipa! Sorry! Oh, bless you, sweetheart. Titingnan natin yung niluto natin. Nag-edit kasi ako ng vlog. Yes, mister?
Well, what this jacket, Mrs.
Remove all my clothes there and I can...
Lower.
Huh?
They can go down there. Are these dry?
They're almost dry. Yeah, just lower them down then, if you can.
They're not dry.
Yeah. Oh! Kailangan natin i-turn off yung... I-turn off! I-turn on yung Christmas lights natin. Kumukulo na yung repolyo. And ito na yung beef. Nag-reduce na yung water. I just gonna stir it.
You put this to in there.
Not yet.
Put later. Put extra water so there's plenty of, you know.
How's the fire, sweetheart? No idea, he said. Okay pa naman yung fire. Kailangan lang ng konting woods. Oh, honey, we need more woods! Until now talaga ay hindi ko pa din nahahanapan ng pot yung orchids natin, yung violet na orchids. Wala pa din siyang pot.
I'll get wood later.
Okay.
There is wood there, isn't there?
Yeah, there's plenty of woods.
What have you done? Cabbage?
Cabbage.
Good choice.
And baked potatoes.
You better know the baked potatoes.
I did.
You're supposed to do the little potatoes.
Do you think? Ah, well, it's in. The baked potatoes is in.
Tommy, I quite clearly said
I know.
at lunchtime
I
we
know.
need to use those up before they go on.
I have an idea. Tomorrow.
Well, the idea was already done.
No, tomorrow we will have a boiled baby potatoes.
No. I wanted them with my gravy.
He's soaking. Yung beef stew natin, nilagyan ko na siya ng seasoning. Nilagyan ko siya ng thyme, rosemary, ground black pepper, basil. At nilagyan ko din siya ng kaunting asin. Dinagdagan ko siya ng kaunting asin. At ngayon, pasensya na kayo. Sobrang ingay nito. Papatayin ko muna. At ngayon, lalagyan ko siya ng gravy para lumapot yung sabaw ng ating beef stew. Right, titikman ko muna. Sarap. Ito, turn off na natin yung apoy natin dyan. So, ngayon, magra-rice ako. Kailangan kong initin yung rice ko. Pag nag-heat ako ng rice, nilalagyan ko siya ng kaunting tubig. Kasi, pag hindi ko siya nilagyan ng tubig, feeling ko, nag-dry siya sa microwave. Feeling ko lang. Bumalik kami sa Flora kasi nag-sale kasi yung Flora, yung ano ba yung tawag ng isang butter na binibili namin? Bertolli ata yun. Hindi sila naka-sale at ito naka-sale siya. I think 2 pounds lang to, yung ganito kalaki. 1 kilo. So parang sabi ko sa sarili ko ay I know yung Bertolli medyo healthier siya kaysa Flora kasi yung Bertolli na binibili namin light yun, ito 100% talaga na full fat siya ba. Pero pag nag-sale ulit yung Bertolli, babalik tayo sa Bertolli. Mainit yung plate ni Mr. Si Mr. nanonood ng Tipping Point. Ang init. Oh, honey! Come here! It's ready for you. Waiting. Waiting for you. You're dashing.
What's this? My potato. That's looking
So, enjoy.
jolly good. I just need to do something. I have to get a spoon. I like this.
Umaapaw kasi. If you need more, I got plenty in there. No, the thing, I don't know if I like it with my rice. Is it good?
Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did you say again?
I said you don't cuddle Ted very much, do you?
Well, why you don't?
I do.
Do you?
I sit next to him every morning and have my breakfast.
Yeah, he always does. So anyway, we're done with our tea. John will clean up all the mess.
John gets all this good job.
Hey, I'm making a custard.
Yes, darling, I know you're making custard. You just told me this. You're making a custard. Right, thank you. Cheers.
No problem. So, yeah, mga palangga. We're having our pudding and ito na yung vlog natin for today. Maraming salamat talaga sa panunood. You need to say goodbye, John.
Is a grading of white beverage.
Bye!
Flowing through East Anglia, the rivers Orwell and Stour empty into what seems